Welcome to BioMed Easy Talk. Slit lamp microscope was invented by Alvar Gullstrand. For example, slit lamp microscope is like a flashlight plus magnifying glass for the eye, helping doctors see tiny eye problems clearly. Principle of slit lamp microscope combines a bright slit light and a binocular microscope to give a magnified 3D view of the eye. Parts: light source produces bright light. Slit system forms a thin beam of light. Binocular microscope magnifies eyes in 3D. Objective lens focuses image. High pieces used to view image. Very stick moves instrument. Chain rest headrest keeps head steady. Filters change light for examination. Types of slit lamp microscope: hang slit lamp, light source is above the microscope. ZSS type, light source is below the microscope. Tabletop stationary slit lamp, fixed in clinic with chin rest. Portable handheld slit lamp, small battery operated, used anywhere. Digital slit lamp, has camera for images and videos. Surgical slit lamp, used during eye surgeries for magnified view. It allows eye specialist to direct a thin bright light into eye to do the work of examining by tissues in a magnified 3D view. Thank you.